Hey everybody, Adam Savage here in my garage, in my basement, with a new tool tip and tool excursion I'm excited about. I have procured a washer of the pressure variety, a pressure washer. My friend Fitz did the A/B testing for me on his own journey with a pressure washer and told me this Ryobi is the one to get, 1600 psi. Because here's the thing. Okay, so this is the side of my house, and we have these lovely planters going all the way down, and it makes the view out all the windows down here really lovely. And we have it irrigated, but as you can see, the irrigation runs down to this floor drain here. And so everything is a little bit green. And I've been wanting to take care of that. And not only did we get the pressure washer, but we also bought the attachment for doing the ground. So that's what I'm going to do. We're just going to do some pressure washing. Just one more YouTube channel showing pressure washing. That's what we've come to. Okay, so yeah. Oh, dude. When you look at the time lapse, you can see how clearly the delineation is. That's where my basically, sorry. This is every bit as much fun as every YouTube video has ever led me to believe that pressure washing would be. So I am now, I think I'm gonna mount the camera up high and, or you know what? Maybe I'll mount the camera on the washer itself so you can see the passes that it makes. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I'm going to be using two different nozzles. I'll be using the floor polisher for the main body of it, but when I have to get between planters, then I'll be using the little high pressure concrete washer here. I'm really digging this. So, what happened? Well, here's what happened. I ran out of space on the phone. It's a long story, but even though this is the biggest iPhone, we ran out of space on it. Long story. But also, the pressure washing I was doing on the side of my house, it wasn't really showing up the way I wanted you to see what the pressure washer can do. So I've come to the cave, and I'm going to set up a high shot and a time lapse, and I'm going to clean the very, very filthy sidewalk in front of my cave using my pressure washer. It's going to make me feel good about the world today. And hopefully it'll make you excited about what a pressure washer could do, because like all I want to do is pressure wash everything in my life right now. Next thing I'm going to do is get on a ladder and get out in the front of my shop. Third time's the charm. Look, I'm the first one to tell you there are many, many much better pressure washing videos online than the one I just filmed of cleaning up all the bed stains on the street outside my shop. And I recognize that they're often much more dramatic because they're using like 5,000 PSI pressure washers. But the Ryobi that I've got is a great mix between very affordable and its utility. And that's exactly what I want. I didn't want to go spend $400 on something I'm going to use once a year, but 150 on something I'm going to use once a year, that actually makes sense and it makes a difference. And the outside of my shop is just beautiful right now. So thank you for joining me for this quick tool tip that started in my home and ended at my shop. Thank you guys. Stay clean. I will see you next time.